going on, guys? Today we're gonna be installing. What's the name of this exhaust?
AW catback.
An AWE catback. Is it track mode? Is it the track one?
Track.
The track one. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So we got the pipe, the other pipe, and the tips. Yes, sir. You already got the car up. We just gotta see how to take it off. It's not my car, it's my little brother's car. We got the other mechanic right here. Yes, sir. So this is what the underneath looks like. I haven't even read how to take this off, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna just taking these two bolts off that go to the cat, and then just the back one. We'll see though for sure right now. No, we should really buy some air tools. Would have made this way faster.
What if we use our compressor?
No, there we go. So we just took out these two bolts. So that's loose now. Then we gotta take the rear ones out. What's this man doing? It's his car, he's not even helping. Now we're gonna take this one out. That's disconnected. And then once this is out, we just pop it out the bushing here. And then pop these two bushings and these two bushings out. And we should be good. I thought this was gonna be harder. This is kinda easy. It's cold though. Double work. We charge cheap out here. $100 an hour. I got some my eye. Ah! Oh, what the fuck was that? Yo. What the heck? Oh, we gotta keep going. Damn. Okay, so we took them out. Now they shit loose. Then we gotta pump it out. This thing right here. I don't even have like the proper tool for that, but we can use these, I guess. Oh, what the heck was that? Damn. This is the rear wiper blade. No, that's the exhaust gasket. But alright, let's try to take this off. Same way. Métete. ¿Dónde lo agarro? De abajo que se va a caer. The struggle. I gotta pop these. Hey, please grab it. Grabbing it. Well, fucking grab it, my guy. ¿Qué te llevaste, Toles? No, hacete por fuera tuyo. These things are so freaking hard, dude. There's no space aquí para meter esa pinche shit. Oh, we got. Okay. Ya lo quitaste. Let's do this in one side. Oh, it's sticking. There you go. hella rust. Ah. Weight reduction. This thing is heavy. No. So this is the old exhaust, new exhaust, and this thing is heavy as hell. Let me see. This is the difference. Damn, that shit big as hell. Weight reduction. Okay, so this is the almost end product. And putting these things on is hard. I think that was the most struggle. But we're almost done. Just gonna tighten this up, put the tips in, we're good. This man has been doing nothing. I'm doing all the work. It's not even my car. Look at him. You guys want to see my Camaro? Oh, you can't even see it. Oh well. We are finally done. There's the end result. I don't know if you guys can see under there. It took us like an hour. Nah, not even, like 45 minutes probably. You guys want to hear it? I got away from my brothers. What the hell are they doing? You guys want to see my Camaro? Let's see the Camaro. See, this is the man car. That's the little girl car. What the bro? The yes, sir.